Hi there, and thank you for watching our video. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up a QNAP NAS. From hardware installation to setting up My QNAP Cloud to being able to remotely access your NAS, this video is the first step towards a smarter way of accessing your files and data. First things first, installing your disk drives. Simply lock the side cover to fix the drives onto the tray. Insert it into your NAS, lock it, and that's the drives installed. Now you should connect the power and Ethernet cables. To make sure you can access your NAS, the Ethernet cable should be connected to the same router that your computer and internet are connected to. Now log into your computer and download QFinder Pro from the QNAP website. QFinder Pro is a convenient program that lets you easily find and connect to your NAS. It's completely free and makes day-to-day use of your NAS much easier. When your NAS is powered on and connected, QFinder Pro will display your NAS with its IP address. To start the setup process, simply double-click on your NAS, follow the setup guide and configure the NAS settings, and it will be ready to use. Don't worry if you make a mistake with the settings, as you can change them later. Once your NAS is set up, click Go to NAS Management and log in to your NAS. Now you need to set up a storage pool and disk volume, which may sound technical, but is really easy to do. After logging in, open the Storage and Snapshots app. From here, you can choose Storage Snapshots and click Create in the top right of the window. Click New Storage Pool, and you'll be guided through the entire process. When asked what RAID type you want, this is dependent on how many drives you have installed and what level of performance and protection you need. Keep in mind that if you have not installed the maximum number of drives your NAS supports, you can always install another disk drive later. Once you've created the storage pool, it's time to create the volume. You can do this under the storage pool you just created. We recommend selecting thick volume in most user cases. You can create different volumes for different usage, or allocate all of the storage space to a single volume based on your needs. We recommend that you retain up to 20% of the storage pool for snapshot storage purposes. Once finished, your NAS will create your volumes. Don't worry if the NAS says it will take a long time to finish building the RAID or volume, as this process won't take too long. Once finished, you will be able to start storing files on it. Now that your NAS is set up and can be accessed locally, it's time to set up your NAS for remote access. Click the Main Menu button on the top left of the window. Choose My QNAP Cloud, click the Get Started button, and choose Start. If you don't have a QNAP ID, click Create QNAP ID to sign up. Once you have a QNAP ID, you can log in and set up the My QNAP Cloud service on your NAS. After confirming the name of your NAS, two links will be displayed. Both of these addresses allow you to remotely access your NAS over the internet, allowing you convenient access to your files and data. Click Next, and the system will automatically download and install the My QNAP Cloud Link app. Click Next until the settings process is complete. Now, you need to enable your DDNS, which you can do from the My DDNS page, which you can also do in the My QNAP Cloud Link app. Once you've done that, we're all finished. This video was just a quick overview of setting up your NAS for local and remote access. With the many features of a QNAP NAS and a wide range of companion mobile apps available for Android and iOS, feel free to explore other ways you can work smarter and enjoy a better digital lifestyle with QNAP NAS.